Hi guys, it's Nari again, but only with boots that you can't see me. But I'm gonna be performing and singing a new song called Nature. And it's performed by me and written by me. So get ready. You're a beautiful thing. Oh, you're a beautiful star in the sky. You're a beautiful tree just falling down with the leaves. You're the perfect one I could ask for. Oh, nature, nature, you are like boys. Some are sweet and some are just cruel. But you have to know to expect them. For you can only beep, 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 beep. So you are a beautiful, cruel, and sweet thing in disguise. You are. You make a day really special, yes, because you make life so boring. But nature makes the world a good place. But you're the same thing you and them are meant to be. Nature, 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 yeah. Nature. Nature, 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 nature.